Three types of triangles are equilateral, scalene, isosceles. Triangles can have right, acute, and obtuse angles. Oh yeah. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with four sides, two parallel ones. The parallel sides of a trapezoid are called bases, and the non-parallel sides are legs. A square is a plane figure having four equal sides. A square has four right angles. A cube is a 3D square, like this television set. A rectangle is a four-sided plane figure with four right angles. It also has two pairs of parallel sides. The area of the rectangle is the product of its length and its width. Circle, a curve where everywhere on the shape is equidistant to the center. Pi is the ratio of the circumference to the diameter. Pi 3.14.